This is the letter F. Big F, little f. F says f. A lot of words begin with the letter F, like fan, fire, fish, fox, fireworks. What else begins with the letter F? F is for... That's right, flamingo. What is a flamingo? Flamingos are known for their bright pink feathers, which come from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. These birds are expert standers, often balancing on one leg while the other rests. Flamingos also like to hang out in large groups called colonies, where they can socialize and care for their young together. Let's look at some different flamingos for ideas. What do you see? I see flamingos in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a flamingo. Let's draw a flamingo. You need paper, black marker, and something to make color with.
To make our flamingo, I'm going to start with a small oval for the head, then a medium to large oval for the body. We're going to connect the two with the neck using curved lines from the bottom of the little oval to the top of the big one, and then from the back of the little oval down to the big oval. So now we have a head, neck, and body for our flamingo. We're going to add some details. Let's go to the little oval to make a V shape. That's going to be his beak. I'm going to go ahead and do a little straight line down in the middle and then color in the end of his beak, because flamingos have that black beak at the tip. Then we're going to do a small circle with a slightly bigger circle around it for his eye. We're going to start our wing. We're going to start with 1, 2, 3 little bump lines, little sideways rainbows, and pull the line up for his wing. We're going to make some tail feathers. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, kind of little wigglies coming off the back end to make his standing legs. So we're going to do 1, 2 little lines down and color in the inside black. And then at the end of the leg, I'm going to make a little foot with 3 little bumps. Now, as we learned, our flamingo likes to stand on one leg. So we're going to do a straight line down and then stop about halfway through the leg. And then do a straight line out, almost in like a V shape here. Going to make it a little thicker by drawing another line and filling in the space in between. Drawing another line and then filling in the space in between. I'm going to do a matching foot at this end. 1, 2, 3. Let me go ahead and color that in. Alright, so now we have our very basic flamingo. This would be a good time to think about any details you want to add. So I'm going to add in some more feather lines because that's what looks good to me. Some more wiggly lines just to give them a little bit of oomph. Maybe some curved lines on the neck. Remember, flamingo starts with the letter F. So I'm going to draw a big F and a little F to help me remember.
This would be a great time to add color. So I went with a pink flamingo and then decided to add some orange and purple just for some pop. Wow, you guys made a flamingo. That's awesome. Remember, flamingo is for the letter F. Be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy for more content. Thank you for joining us.